Hey guys, this is not how I wanted to start my Monday. Obviously I'm not there again today and I was out last week. I told you guys if I was out, it was likely because my kiddos were sick. So last week, Crew wasn't feeling well. He had a stomach ache. So I kept him home and then on Saturday night, Hayden started feeling sick. So I took her in yesterday to the doctor and she has flu A. Yay! So I'm obviously off today. I'm hoping to be back tomorrow, um, pending me getting it, or hopefully it's what Crew had and he's not going to get it after that. So I'm just going to go over some of the activities we're going to do today. So you should have already done the warm-up extra math. You should have done a full lesson. If you didn't do that, you need to make sure you complete a full lesson. I am checking here at home who got green, and when I get back, I'll give you guys candy and all the things. You will then, obviously you're watching this video. I'm going to post another video on rate tables and ratios. So you're going to get your worksheet from the sub, and I'm going to go over all the things with you, and you're going to work on the back of that worksheet. So that's going to be the lesson part today, which you're pretty familiar with ratios and rates, so it shouldn't be too bad. And then I posted another video to Canvas of just how to set up the rate tables as an extra resource for you guys to watch. And then you guys are going to be working in partners to do a little fortune teller activity that I'm going to show you here in a second. Okay, I did tell the sub to let you guys have a brain break at 10:25-ish, so you'll get a chance to stretch and go to the bathroom, get a drink, just relax for a little bit. And then at the very end, you'll have some choices. You can either work on your weekly minutes for this week, so remember you need 40 minutes and a lesson passed, or you can spend that time working on 100% assignment. So I know Katarina, Ty, some of you guys already turned your 100% assignments in. If you didn't get to that last week, there's some up in the black bin. You're welcome to do that. If you need extra copies, I can have Mrs. Redding run some extra copies. Okay, so here in a minute, you're going to get back onto Canvas. You're going to get your worksheet for ratios and rate tables, and we're going to do the lesson together. So hopefully, I will be back tomorrow, but if not, I will see you very, very soon.